Welcome to FeTW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates, 7th July 2026. Hi, I'm Aditya. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $97.85 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 0.35% from the previous settlement of $98.20 per ton. The contract opened at $98.70 and moved within a range of $97.70 to $98.90, reflecting cautious market sentiment. The recent weakness is driven by concerns over softening Chinese steel demand, seasonal slowdown in construction activity, and pressure on steel mill profitability, which has reduced buying appetite for iron ore. In addition, expectations of steady seaborne supply and higher port inventories have limited upside momentum. However, market participants continue to monitor China's policy support measures, steel production controls, and procurement strategies by major buyers, which could influence price direction in the near term. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market exhibited a mixed trend today, with prices showing varied movements across regions amid moderate buying activity and selective restocking. While some markets witnessed mild corrections due to cautious purchasing, others remained stable, supported by localized demand. Overall sentiment was balanced as buyers continued to monitor market developments closely, resulting in region-specific price adjustments rather than a broad-based directional trend. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market witnessed a downward trend today, with prices declining across several regions amid weak buying interest and cautious market sentiment. While demand remained subdued, traders adopted a wait and watch approach, leading to limited transactions and increased pricing pressure, persistent oversupply in some markets, and selective purchasing further weighed on prices. Overall, the market remained bearish, with regional price corrections reflecting soft demand and cautious restocking activity. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,700 to 8,150 per ton. Prices stable. Sponge. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,000 to 23,100. Price is down by 200 to 300 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 37,900 to 38,000. Prices down by 200 to 300 rupees. Uh, Rebar trading levels at Raipur 40,100 to 40,200 for the grade FE 500. Prices down by 200 to 300 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 44,000 to 45,000. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.